Danke bafowethu, welcome to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafowethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs straight bona sebakhiphe i-statement ukuthi uVilakazi, uBatman, uVelebayi bowu-3 ba-available for i-selection for i-match i-CAF Confederations Cup le aboyidlala lena bafowethu kuphi eCongo, i-match e-serious ngempela bazodlala ne-AS Simba. Nasi i-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, and then so si-dissector kahle sisichaza ukuthi siminani overall. So bathi Kaizer Chiefs following in 2 weeks international break laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs bathi are expected to welcome back several players nama-players lawa recover from i-injuries. So kusho ukuthi out of lama-player uVelebayi, uVilakazi noBatman bathi ba-expecte ukuthi vele bazo-welcome back amanye ama-player abuya ku-injury bafowethu. Additionally bathi-ke Vilakazi, Batman bazobe babuya laphana ku-international duty la bebaye ku-under 20 World Cup laphana eChile, and then uBatman noVelebayi after being cleared to play after the finalization of the appealed cases bathi nabo ba-eda i-depth esquadini se-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-matches azayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Lesi statement esikhulu bafowethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs kudala silindile. Ilokhu njani, I think what I can mention, the most important thing that I can mention la ukuthi uVelebayi noBatman bafowethu abakadlali in almost 5 months, abakadlali official match. Asazi ukuthi bazofitha kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, are they ready, are they well equipped? Ngibafisela inhlanhla abadlali ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu bafowethu, but almost 5 months ungadlali official game, leyo nto leyo i-psyche yakho or mentally ingaku-affecta. But siyabathemba bafana because sokunesikhathi bejima laphana ne-Kaizer Chiefs and kube nebhazi serious around bona laphana bafowethu amajita, especially uVelebayi njengoba ngihlezi ngisho uma ngikhuluma ngoVelebayi ukuthi bamgijimise for 2 years, yena i-pressure is too much for yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi adelive, but I mean unayo leyo nkani yakhe, sesike sambona edlala ukuthi angakwazi ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So i-boost enkulu lena bafowethu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uVelebayi abe khona, uBatman abe khona, Mfundo Vilakazi abe khona. Bengicabanga ukuthi maybe mina bengicabanga ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi noBatman since babuya ku-World Cup bazobanika i-extra break. Yabona ama-game amaningi bafowethu i-extra break ayikho, ukuthi ubuya internationally you direct straight to the team bafowethu, asikho isikhathi sokuphumula. That's the beauty and the curse of being a professional footballer. Chile ifatigue but-ke babuya straight ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs iyabadinga and I mean abantu bayamthanda uVilakazi. I don't think abantu baya-realize ukuthi uVilakazi bamthanda kangakanani. When every time mangise-stadium ngibhizi ngikhuluma nabantu, ngi-interview abantu, kwasho kwagcina bahlezi bebuza ukuthi ukuphi uVilakazi. Even the previous game la bebadlala khona i-second leg ye-CAF babuza ukuthi ukuphi uVilakazi because of ukungena kwakhe uVilakazi u-eda i-spark serious for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So bebamdinga kuleya game le, i-creativity yakhe bafowethu, into ayi-edayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean awumjida u-serious and masikhuluma ngayo isikhathi esiningi abantu abaningi sebathi kumele adlale i-role ka-number 10 because simbonile laphana ka-under 20 ukuthi wenzeni, ucreate-ile and was able to score leya penalty le against i-Colombia, just bashawe nje ngama-mistake wabo but-ke ba-powerful as ama-under 20. uVilakazi uzodlala i-crucial role for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-depth ye-squad obvious i-squad sabo sesikhulile bafowethu overall laphana. So I mean sekusele kubo bafowethu laphana, sokulele kubo abadlali ukuthi bona bamiseleni nanokuthi bamisele kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bafuna ukudeliver kanjani whenever they are given ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale. I think the biggest thing bafowethu, nothing will be bigger and greater than uVelebayi noBatman after ukulinda. I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs basayine 2 months ago officially but besebalwa ne-team yabo labo. By the time Kaizer Chiefs basayina besekune-2 months balwa nane-Cape Town Spurs, bathi bona ngeke babuyele ejimini ku-Cape Town Spurs laphana ku-3rd division. Kuliwa into eserious laphana, wangenelela o-PSL, wangenelela i-SAFA, baluwina icala ku-PSL, lathatha icala laya ku-SAFA, baphinde baluwina futhi naku-SAFA. I-Cape Town Spurs-ke yaliluza icala, yabona ukuthi i-Cape Town Spurs manje they have nothing to say really because of umthetho ibholeni lase-South Africa straight bebalwisana nje ngento engekho. I remember when I broke the story last week, mangisifunda besibhala ukuthi professional contracts, sithi abadlali basayine i-professional contract, not ukuthi badlale ku-amateur. So njengoba i-Cape Town Spurs ku-amateur, imindeni yabo izobe ibukela abadlali mabengena kokuqala ku-Kaizer Chiefs officially, bazoba emotional kakhulu ukubona iy'ngane zabo or nomalume abanye mebebukele all over the country, especially eCape Town babukele ovele baye nako-Eastern Cape. I mean kuzoba emotional ngempela for abafana ukuthi finally badlale, because there were times la or moments kubonakala ngathi ngeke badlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngathi Spurs sizoliwina icala, especially ekuqaleni ba-opposer. But-ke once sabona ama-rules nama-laws waku-P_S_L, I immediately saw ukuthi Cape Town Spurs ilwela into engekho at all bafowethu. So ama-co-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs, ngihlezi uma ngikhuluma ngovele bawo, always mention this, uCedric Kaze lo we-Kaizer Chiefs uyamthanda uVele Baye, ukhuluma nangaye nakuma-press conference ukuthi uVele Baye uzobasiza kakhulu, meaning lesikhala lesi sakaModi, uModi usenkingeni e-serious bafowethu. Why? Kumele adilive for i-Kaizer Chiefs, mengadilive uVele Baye umfana omncane uyanyonyoba for isikhala sakhe, uyakhokhoba laphana. So kumele uPule Modi whenever is given a chance to play manje amisele serious, because bakhona abantu aba-hungry, aba-ready, abafuna ngempela uku-introduce i-Kaizer ukuzi-introduce serious ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Hhayi lento le yokudlala ngathi uyadlala for the sake of ukudlala, but you're not giving anything valuable or tangible to i-team laphana overall. So it's gonna be a big days for oVele Baye, and also nalaba abadlalayo abathola ama-opportunities manje kumele ba-switch on because of i-depth iyanda laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs iphinde ya-announce again ukuthi kunabadlali ababuya ku-injury, laba bebangekho, so bayabuya back from i-injury. So okuchaza ukuthi manje i-competition izoba tougher than before. So laba abathola ama-opportunities okuthi badlale kumele ngempela bamisele serious, hhayi bafethu indaba yokudlala. Sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukumisela, but I can't wait bafethu ukuthi sibone oVele Baye, sibone uBatman. Mfundo Vilakazi is the most exciting bafethu, for one of the most exciting players for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu ngempela onguzokwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-creativity yakhe I think kumele sim-appreciate umfana, because I mean what he gives to i-Kaizer Chiefs every time he's given an opportunity to play, uyabona ukuthi umfethu umisele ngempela laphana ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akazelanga ukuzodlala nje for the sake of i-Kaizer Chiefs, but for yena umfana kuyi-emotional ngempela ukuthi a-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi abonise abantu week in and week out ukuthi ukhona, upresent, and then he wants to fight for the team. Then nalaba abadala kumele ngempela mentally ba-switch on, bakwazi ukudeliver for i-team. They cannot rely ebafaneni abancane. Imagine you are a senior player una-30 but ufuna ukurelya kumfana ona-19 or ona-20, come on bafowethu. So they have to really start raising their hands, babonise ngempela ukuthi nabo bayafuna ukulwela i-team. They can't rely on abafana abancane ukuthi abafana abancane balwela i-team, ba-represent i-team overall. uBatman uzo-challenger laphana ku-number 9 bafowethu laphana phambili. So labantu abadlala phambili, iy'trikers zaku-Kaizer Chiefs nazo they have to bring it, they have to create opportunity to score those opportunities for i-Kaizer Chiefs, because if ama-strikers laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs anikwa ama-opportunity ukuthi adlale, kufana oMayo, oSilva, oDuprez, oDuba, if baloke banikwa ama-opportunities and abawathathi lama-opportunities, obviously-ke i-team they will be forced ukuthi they have to look at amanye ama-player laphana khona a-ready ukuthi angadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Imaphi lawo ma-player oBatman laphana phambili? uBatman kumele akwazi ngempela ukulokhu uku-contribute for i-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele akwazi kumele akwazi in a way like ukuyimela laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. And uyabona mentally he has to be strong. I remember me laphana e-airport eCape Town bem-interviewer, and then bam-congratulate-a ngokusayina ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but at the same time bam-advise bathi i-pressure izoba khona ngokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs mfethu, but-ke don't let the pressure get to your head. Ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, the pressure will always be there, but-ke wena into kumele uyenze, don't let it get to your head. Hamba uyozirepresenta laphana eGauteng, umake sure ukuthi you give your all. Try and be yourself. Ngaso sonke isikhathi be yourself, and you have to know ukuthi uyeleni lapha eGauteng, which is the most important part for ilokhu for ama-player. Lonke iplayer elidlalayo lapha elinikwa opportunity ukuthi lidlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to know individually so bafethu ukuthi benzani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bafunani, at the same time bamisele ngani, because ama-player amaningi anokuba nenkinga e-serious mayefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, enzani? Ayaphefoma ukuphefoma laphana kwamanye ama-team, but once they get to Kaizer Chiefs baya-relaxa, babona ngathi they've made it. They don't have to push hard anymore. Like they're not giving anything more bheka laphana ethimini overall. Kanti when they get to play for i-Kaizer Chiefs, kula kumele bamisele khona kakhulu ukuthi number one ba-selected for i-national team, number two ukuthi babe immortal. Like once waphefoma kahle phela ku-Kaizer Chiefs abantu ngeke bakukhohlwe. So why would you be given an opportunity to play for the biggest team in the country? Ibhazi ehlezi ikhona, i-media iyayilandelela le team le njalo, but-ke wena awukwazi ukuthatha ama-opportunities wakho. That's just a waste of time for wena, because I won't mention names. Like khona ama-player afikayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs angadlali, and then the next season thola ukuthi umuntu baze bamrelease nokumrelease akadlalanga, akacontribute-anga nix, lutho, zero. Ayikho into abazomkhumbula ngayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, nix bafowethu. So I mean, they have to be inspired, yes, amanye ama-player. They have to know individually ukuthi bona bafunani, then bamisele ngani, and then-ke they can start like giving their all to, or giving their all for the team ukuthi team ikwazi ukuthola ama-results. Apart from Kaizer Chiefs, abalandeli base-South Africa bebhola angeke bakhohlwe bafethu, because this team is immortal. This team is, I can't even explain how big, how huge this team is. So you gotta bring it for this team, and then abantu ngeke bakhohlwe. They will always appreciate you, but kuqala ngama-performances wakho walaphana egroundini nokuwumisela kwakho. But wena uma ufika ku-Kaizer Chiefs utshela ukuthi hayi sowufikile-ke, you stop working hard, so wenza ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwenzela i-favor, inkinga iqala lapho. But-ke sibafisela inhlanhla bonke abafowethu abalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs abazothola ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale. Vele bayi, welcome officially, vele bayi Batman, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs. Sithemba ukuthi nizokwazi bafowethu ukurepresenta iKapa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Don't ever back down. Every time you are given an opportunity to play like igame yakho yokugcina, you will be rewarded. Maningi ama-opportunities ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you will definitely be rewarded. Sometimes not even direct from i-Kaizer Chiefs, but from leyo association yakho nje i-Kaizer Chiefs, uzokwazi ukuthola into ey'ningi kakhulu ngoba udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi uyadeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So abamisele abafana laphana whenever they are given ama-opportunities ukuthi badlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, making sure the page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.